Alright, Adam, let me show you how the tables work for your shipping. So you go back into the back panel of your site and then you go to WooCommerce. Where are you? Here, WooCommerce settings. Then here you choose shipping. So you go to shipping right here. These settings are pretty simple. There's not much to deal with it. But here we go. I'm gonna show you. So you go to shipping right here. So, and then here you have two zones, which is domestic and the rest of the world. I'm assuming you're only gonna use domestic, but just in case there's that possibility to use the rest of the world. So then here you go to shipping table, which is the only one that I just activated for you. Click on shipping table. Then here you scroll down, we enable that, and then here we got the table, shipping cost tables. So right now we have, I created three. So we have the flat rate. They're all flat rate, by the way, because that is the text that people see. Don't worry about this text, but if you want to create another one, just change 4, 5, 6. So then here we got the minimum price. This is price rate. It's between $1 and $75. You will charge $5. That's all you need to do. So if you want to create another one, which is the next one, which is between $76 and $149, you charge $10, and so on, so on. So like the next one is $150 to $50,000. I charge $20. But then again, you can create as many tables as you want. When you're done, make sure that you click save the changes, and this will look just like this. Like, so if I go to Elite Business right now, and I order something in my cart, so I go my cart, view cart. Right, we have 9 products. That is the total of 281. So if I go and check out right now, that's over 150. So after I put all the information, it's called flat rate, and it's gonna charge me $20. But let's say that I am going to, I'm going to only use under $75. So go here, and I am going to edit this category. So that is $31, and you're gonna use one update. So now it's under $75. Should only charge me $5. So proceed to checkout, and then there is only $5 right here is charging me for the flat rate. So that is one thing that I need to show you. The next thing that you asked me was, you say that something about the laundromats for sale, the bars are not working. I'm sure you have a catch, because we fixed that a few days ago. So we have the text to be an order, the order you told me, and then we have the San Fernando Valley. As you can see, when I click on it, it comes to the dark blue. So it's San Fernando Valley is the longest one. So now it's not white, it's visible, and then offer and acceptance actually working fine. So last thing you want to know is like the equipment. The equipment, it works exactly just like the e-commerce. Let's say we go to washers. So these are products for sale though. So to handle that category, what I recommend you to do is go into the products, click on products, and once you click on products, you go into the top right here. Hold on one second, here top. So you go to category, select a category. You have washer and you have dryers. Those are the ones that they are not for e-commerce, and the only reason they're not for e-commerce is because they don't have a price. So we're gonna go to washer, click filter. What I'd recommend you to do is open this one. So you have one, just right click and go open a new window. So now that's the washer that we have right here. And the only difference between this and a regular product is two differences. One is we have these buttons that link to the PDFs, and two, have no price. That's it. So what I recommend you to do is go ahead and click on text view, because this is actually the code that you need to have. You want to create a PDF, I'm assuming, for each product. So you copy. First thing that what I recommend to do is copy this, all this from the code A all the way to the A. Those are the two links. Copy that, and then add a new link, add a new product. So if you click add a new product, this is another equipment that you are talking about it. So I'm gonna call it test washer 1. So here you put all the text that you want, the description for that product. Then at the end of that description, you paste this link. This is the link for the PDFs, as you can see right here. And then this is the link to the contact form. So this product, which is called the test washer one, there again, you're gonna have to make sure that this is a washer right here, and then you put an image right here for the feature image. I am gonna use one that you already have, so I'm just gonna use that one right there. Select for the product image, right? So then the last thing you need to do is make sure that you leave this space blank, and then it belongs to the category washer. Last thing you need to do is put the URL for the PDFs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna upload a PDF to the media library. So that's why I'll suggest you to just open a new tab here, and then upload your PDF here. Once you're done with your PDF, what you need to do is copy the URL for the PDF. So I'm gonna find one PDF right now, which probably you can upload other pictures. Here, this is a PDF, right? So you upload a PDF, it's gonna look like this. You click there, and then here's the URL. Copy all, copy, and then you go back here, and then you paste the link in between the quotes right there, and that is the link to that particular PDF. And don't worry about target blanks, means it's gonna open in a new window, and that's it. When you're done, click publish. So now when you go into the product and through the equipment, so you go here, now you go into the equipment, and then you go to the washer. Now you have that one, which is the test washer one, the one I created. If you were to put a price on it, then it's gonna look like buy now. That's why the only difference is just don't put a price. And I hope that's pretty much it. The search, it takes like 2 seconds, because it's actually searching the entire server, and you have up to 5,000 products, and it's searching categories, tables, categories, product categories, description categories. There's a lot of tables, so it is 1 second slow, but there's not much we can do right here, because literally you're searching for many tables into the website, and you do have a lot of products. So hope that's clear. I'll talk to you on Monday, and have a wonderful weekend.